Now that I have my NX session open, I'm going to show you how you can go in and create a new part file. There are several ways to create a new part file, but they all at the end take you to the same exact location. If I look under File, you'll see New. The little tooltip flies up and says creates a new file. You'll also notice to the right I have accelerator keys. If you're a fan of accelerator keys, press Control on the keyboard and N at the same time, and it'll take you to the same location. I can use the icon and the ribbon, as well as go into Menu, File, New. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once I'm in my menu, you'll see all of the templates that are available that I can choose from. Now, these templates all have specific preferences set up automatically, and this allows you to generate a file that has those preferences that can be used all along for whatever it is you're designing without you having to go back in and change those preferences over and over again. You'll notice that my units are set to millimeters, and if I hit the little arrow, I can switch those units to inches, and if I select all, it just shows me all of the different file types, the unit types. That's all that is. Go back into millimeter, you'll see my units here. Once I determine the type of file I'm creating, in this case we're creating a part file or just a standard model file, so the preferences will be set from that template. I come down to the bottom and determine what the name is. So here I can give it a name. Once I've given it the name, I can then navigate to the location that I want the part file to be created in. Once I select this folder icon, you'll see it takes me to the Choose Directory menu, and I can navigate just like you would anything else to the location you want the file to be placed in. Select OK, and then you have your folder location set up there. If you already have the folder set up open in another window, you can just copy and paste that directory right here as well. You don't have to navigate to it every single time. Now, just to talk a little bit more about the menu, you'll notice I have several types of files and templates that I can create across the top. You want to make sure that this is set to model. When we get into drawings, we'll go into the drawing tab, and that'll have templates set up specifically for drawings. Once this is all set and ready to go, I select OK, and just like that, my new file is created.